Hey guys, in this video I am going to be making pineapple fried rice and I am so excited guys. Look, okay, I won't show you, okay? You have to watch the video till the end to see what's going on. Let's get right into the video. Guys, for the rice I'm going to be washing 1.5 cups of this rice, the golden wheel Thai jasmine rice. So that's 1 cup, and that's the grains there on the rice. So I'll just make it I'm gonna cook the rice in an instant pot, guys, so I think I'll just do 2 cups of rice, and for the instant pot 2 cups of rice to 2 cups of water, but I think the water I'll put like 2.5 of this water for my rice in the instant pot. Now guys, you notice when you wash your rice the water is cloudy. See how cloudy it is? So then you're gonna wash your rice until it gets clear. Okay, when you wash it about maybe 3 or 4 times, you rinse it so that the water can clear up. There's too much starch in this rice, why it is so cloudy. For your rice, you rub your hands. If you want to use both hands, you rub it together, guys. Rub it, and that's how you wash your rice. And then I'm gonna drain this off and repeat the process. Rinse it like 2 or 3 more times for it to get, because it's too cloudy, as I said. Now guys, the water is not so cloudy, so then you drain off and then put to cook. So I'm gonna be putting with this 2 cups of rice, I'll be putting 2 and I think a quarter cup of, because I'm doing it in an instant pot, but you cook it in whatever pot you want, guys. You cook your rice. Okay, that's the first step. Now a dash or 2 salt, and then I'll put to cook, guys. The rice is steamed, guys, so I'm gonna let it cool and put in the fridge, okay, before I go on to the next step. Put it in the fridge for a couple of hours to cool. For the fried rice, I may use the fried rice seasoning at the end. This is optional. I may use some of it if at the end my rice needs any flavor. So that is optional, and I might end up using the seafood seasoning also. But the ingredients you'll need, guys, for the fried rice and I'll be using is shrimp, and this is shrimp is pre-cooked, and the pineapple, which is the star of the show. It's a pineapple fried rice. And over here I have just a small amount of broccoli, guys. Okay, for the amount of rice I'm preparing, a small amount of onion. I'm gonna finally chop the garlic, and I have 3 pieces of ham here, and I have the rice that I cooked. It's a day-old rice, and I have here, this is just 2 pieces of walnut and cashew, a tablespoon of cashew nut, and this is grated ginger, a teaspoon of grated ginger, 2 eggs. You could use 1 egg, and this is a teaspoon of turmeric, and a tablespoon of raisin, which is optional, for garnish at the end. And this is a teaspoon of sugar, and black pepper I'm gonna be using, and the frozen mixed vegetable. soy sauce. You could use either soy sauce or fish sauce. It's for the rice. And also I'm gonna need the soy sauce for the fish. I'm gonna use the soy sauce for the shrimp, and oil. I finally chopped the garlic, and I give the shrimp, even though it's pre-cooked, I washed it with just a little bit of apple cider vinegar and dried it. Put paper towel and dry your shrimp. Get rid of the excess water, and then I'm going to be adding the finely chopped garlic with the ginger, the grated ginger, and a drizzle of olive oil, teaspoon of the soy sauce, and I'm going to cover, put aside, and then work on the pineapple, carve the pineapple. Soy sauce, a teaspoon. I'll put it's optional, guys. If you don't have seafood seasoning, it's fine, but I'm gonna put like a teaspoon. Drizzle of oil. I'm gonna cover, put aside. So I'm just cutting up my ham, guys, and the broccoli to bite-sized pieces. I washed the pineapple, guys, so I'm just gonna dry it. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna cut like a quart, not too much into the pineapple, like maybe, like I don't want to go too much into it that way, like, you know, here, just to get the outside part off, so I can work with it to carve it. So let me cut this much. You're just gonna carve on the inside around so you can get the pineapple. Just go around with your knife all the way in. You can spoon out the pineapple. Use a spoon to get it out. Cut close to the edge, but not you don't want to get the skin, be cutting the skin. So guys, after I carve around, you carve on the inside, and then you could probably go like this. And then use a spoon and so I'm going to be working with 1 cup of the diced pineapple. I'm heating, you can heat anywhere between 1 to 3 tablespoons of oil. If you're using fresh shrimp, then you would be stir frying it in hot oil for like half a minute, just to get a pink color. You know, so a little bit of the seafood seasoning, like a teaspoon. Turn this out the pan. Put the cashew in, the nuts, the walnuts, the cashew, and along with the pineapple chunks. I need to fry the egg, guys, so a bit more oil. You could use 1 egg, guys, but I'm going to be using 2 eggs. And as I said, guys, the proper way to break egg when using is into a separate container. Sometimes I chance it, but that's the proper way to do it. A dash of black pepper. So the eggs are almost ready, guys, and then I'm going to put my green onion and broccoli. Gonna set this aside and then onto the rice. So when stir frying, you can work anywhere from like a teaspoon to, you know, 2-3 tablespoons. And that's just the ham. There's a cup of rice. I have 2 heaping cups of rice. I think I'm gonna put like a 1/4 cup more, guys. So that's like 2 1/4 cup of rice. But you could work with 2 cups. Rid of the lumps in your rice and stir. So I'm gonna add, and your pot should be hot enough. I'm gonna add you could use fish sauce or soy sauce, guys, but I'm gonna use both. I'm working with this fish sauce, so just a little drizzle all over. You don't have to use both, guys. You could use fish sauce or soy sauce, but I use both. Get rid of the lumps from the rice. I'm adding the turmeric for color and flavor. Turmeric or turmeric, I'm not sure how you pronounce it, guys. Turmeric. And then I'm gonna add the sugar, which is optional, you don't have to, for just to balance out the flavor. And distribute evenly, mix. A drizzle of oil, guys. You know, we're doing stir fry, so I don't want it to be too dry. One more thing I wasn't sure I was gonna use, but I'm gonna use it, the fried rice seasoning. It's salty, so just like a dash, 1/8 teaspoon, because it is salty. Looks good, guys, and then now I'll turn the mix veg with the pineapple and egg onto the rice. And stir. And then, guys, you just taste to see if you need if it needs more salt. If you find that you want a bit more salt on it, then you add like soy sauce or, you know, the seafood seasoning or the fried rice seasoning that has salt in it. The taste is excellent, guys. It is excellent. I'm so excited. And it's done. Ready to serve. one last thing, guys. Raisin, just as topping. You don't have to if you don't want raisin. And that's just topping, okay? So I'm gonna serve. So delicious, guys. In the description below, I will put the recipe for this fried rice. Guys, I can't eat with a chopstick, so this is what I'm gonna be eating with. I am truly excited, guys. I'm telling you, wow, I love this dish. The shrimp, I like the fact it's like a surprise meal to me. I like the fact that whenever I eat and you know you dip into the food, I'm picking up anything from walnut. Which is good for you. Mixed vegetables, broccoli, raisins, cashew nut, pineapple, and it's all surprises, guys, in your plate. It's really good. So guys, I'm gonna learn to use the chopstick, okay? But this one helps me out. I got it at the dollar store. Guys, please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, like, share, and please subscribe if you have not subscribed to the channel. And I'm looking forward to a comment down below from each and every one of you, okay guys? Please comment down below, and I really appreciate you for once more clicking on this video, and see you in the next video.